I'm gonna infuse premium extra virgin olive oil with garlic, chili, lemon zest, and then toss this aromatic mixture with delicate strands of angel hair pasta, wild arugula, toasted breadcrumbs, and lots of Parmesan cheese. So we've got some good extra virgin olive oil. And what we want to do is kind of bring this up nice and slow. I'm not looking to really fry anything, okay? Then we're going to take just some crushed red pepper flake, and it's either a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half if you like it kind of spicy. A little bit definitely goes a long way, but not enough to really kind of blow anybody's heads off. And I think that's going to be great, all right? Then we want to add some garlic to this, and we're going to take the garlic and we're going to cook this really, really slow. So I've got a couple of cloves of garlic. And we got to cook this really, really low and slow, because if you cook it too fast, it's going to burn the chilies. You have to cook this at such a slow pace. The starch inside the garlic turns into sugar with the heat, and it becomes very, very sweet. And that's kind of what you want. As thin as you can get it. All right, cool. So we're going to take this, we're going to throw this into our oil and let this start to toast. And then adjust the temperature just so it's nice and warm. It'll probably take around 20 minutes. Slower the better, okay? Then we're also gonna finish up with lemon zest, all right? So I've got a microplane here and a fresh lemon, and what we're gonna do is just kind of rake the lemon zest into the oil, which is gonna be smoky and fresh and sweet and spicy. It's gonna have a really well-rounded flavor to it. Okay, tap that in, give that a little bit of head start. Okay, I'm gonna put some water on for our pasta a little bit later. So we've got our angel hair pasta here. Okay, we've got our colander. All right, we're gonna drain out our pasta. We got a bowl set up and ready to go. Pasta in the bottom of the bowl. And then we've got this beautiful oil, look at this. So this is a little bit of red chili flake, sweet toasted garlic, and then lemon zest. The flavors are fantastic. All right, perfect. Looks really, really good. All right, then we've got some of our breadcrumb. So we got some nice toasty, crunchy bits going on. And then also our arugula. Just so it's clean and fresh. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Kind of pile this high. And then we're also gonna hit it with a little bit of Parmesan Reggiano. Nice big snow shower cheese right on top. Look at that. Perfect. The pasta looks dynamite. Mmm. Perfect. You guys are gonna love this.